Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So the mix-up turn up, okay? The mix-up turn up, and Spice is not holding back anything. Spice exposed this drug for filth. Like, she just messed up all of Nikki Z world without even trying. Okay, so I'm gonna play the clip where she said what she had to say, and then I'm gonna come back with my thoughts and opinions and round this video up.
Him and God knows say him disrespect me and drag me right through the year. So why when the incident you play a victim and I've tried to find everything like you did a talk good. And me and young God know you never used to talk good.
I never used to.
And God bless the little time then where you even talk good. Because first of all the comment where you chop off scatter and act like you did a say something good. I never saw me here that say good. Remember say scatter borrow did a talk about black hypocrisy and I say yes this mixtape good I have. Yeah man, me not lies. I look it's a good mixtape. But I have one like I used to talk good. Anytime when you do people things when you play a victim, why? Naro deserve it. Him deserve it. And for a lot of people out there who are saying, oh, Naro mother never did not you disrespect Naro mother. I'm a mother of two. So I'm a mother too. So is it okay for Naro to disrespect me as a mother? But it's not okay for me to disrespect female mother? Black hypocrisy. Think about it. Yeah, me's a mother and Naro been disrespecting me for 2 years. So the one time when I tell him say this conversation has expired. So do me a favor.
Fuck your mother.
Suck your mommy. Suck your mommy. Suck your mommy.
Quit wearing that blue shoes. You're not a smurf.
Yeah, so the boy deserve it because I'm always a trouble man, I'm not troubling. So one time he lick you, now you ball out.
Whoa.
And you are lick me for 2 years. And dirty Nikki Z, she when I know not to jump up in it just because with the people them never invite you. Remember I never me send out the list? I never me invite the media. I never me invite the media, Nikki Z. So because you never get an invitation, you're vexed. And take it out for me. And because you used to work at Appelos and the people them fire you. And through Appelos have me mixtape, you try to clock everything. Well, you whisper to me, talk loud, but the people them yeah. Talk your mind. Yeah. Talk. Don't whisper to me as I tell me, dirty. Me can talk.
You talk.
Nikki Z, me no work at Appelos distributor. So because the people them never send an invitation come give you, you're vexed and jump up and pick up the people and come talk things, girl. Remember it's not me that I run the something. So if you never get an invitation, don't vex with me. And I me make everywhere them fire you. Me no work at Zip and I me fire from Zip and I me fire from Fair FM and I never me fire you from Appelos. So where you take it out from me for? Dirty Nikki Z, yes I you may attack. But don't tell about the garden and gully, I have to go back there so. Can remember I have whole heap of things, can remember say you left all of you up a shop.
Chainsaw.
So Spice explained to us why Nikki Z got fired from Happylos. People were saying that she actually left Happylos, but Spice is explaining that she actually got fired, and she got fired because she slept with somebody's husband. Okay, Spice they talk up the things them, and as you guys know, the entertainment fraternity, especially the dancehall reggae one, is very, very small. If she actually did something like that, I can know why Spice would know. And as she explained, her distribution or her mixtape is actually with Happylos. And she even went further as to explain why Nikki Z jumped in the argument with her and Naro, and that's because Nikki Z felt some type of way because Happylos didn't invite her to the press portion of her captured mixtape release party. And everybody was wondering why was Nikki Z even jumping in the argument in the first place, because nobody didn't mention her, nobody didn't know why she involved herself, especially with somebody like Spice that holds nothing back. You can get it with Spice and everybody know that, but she involved herself in it and was very vocal about the way Spice did Naro. But here is exactly why Nikki Z did what she did. And Then claim Nikki Z can't hold on job and she fling out her everywhere she go. I don't know. The mix up hot. It's very hot. Okay. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think about this story. Do you think that is the reason why she jumped in the argument with Spice and Naro, because she didn't get invited to the mixtape release party? And do you think she actually slept with somebody's husband at Happylus? And whose husband do you think? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.